The 222 series splicing connectors, equipped with cage clamp compact, terminate solid, stranded and fine-stranded conductors without tools. Wiring is very easy. Strip conductor to 9 to 10 mm or 0.37 inches. Open clamping unit via integrated lever and insert conductor. Then lower lever to close the clamp. A voltage tester can be used for measurement via built-in test point on top of connector. 222 series application safety is guaranteed by European safety standards for all conductor types. Wago, innovative connections.